Let me ask you a quick question. How much of your ad spend is being wasted right now? If you're like most brands, the answer is way too much. And this is not because your ads aren't working. This is because your data pipelines are broken. Your attribution is lying to you. So here's the truth. Meta and Google used to be amazing at customer tracking till about 5 years back. Now they're bad at it. And they won't admit it to you. Ad blockers, cookie depreciation, third-party checkouts, all put together, all put together can mean that your campaigns don't see up to 40% of what's really happening. That means you're making big budget decisions on incomplete data. And incomplete data leads to wasted ad spend, wrong optimization, and ad growth that just won't scale. This is why we built Boolean Maths. It's the simplest way for D2C brands to fix broken attribution. Our app tracks every touchpoint across Shopify and other stores. Even if the payment happens on Shiprocket, GoKwik, or some other third-party checkout. After that, we send clean, enriched data back to Meta and Google via conversion APIs. The result? Even match scores jump up by 20-30%, ROAS keeps climbing higher, and suddenly you're back in control of your ad growth again. But that's not all. We also track each user journey and attribute orders back to the channel, the ad campaign, the ad set, and ad that actually contributed to that conversion. We give you the true returns on your ad spend. Sometimes that truth can hurt because you might find out that the ads actually aren't working as well as they should. But hey, we believe you have a right to know when Meta's claims of 5 plus ROAS are complete nonsense. We have now been live for over 6 months and the response has been amazing. 100 plus Shopify brands are already using Boolean Maths and reaping the benefits of better ROAS, better visibility, and better attribution. And here's the best part. It's a no-code 15-minute setup. You don't need a developer. You don't need a complicated migration. You don't need to impact any of your current processes. Just install the app on Shopify, connect your ad accounts, and start tracking your true ROAS today. So, if you're serious about scaling, click below and get started with Boolean Maths so that we can help start optimizing ads and debugging your revenue. Welcome on board.